And one thing that I just realized is that agents in this place, they are very rude. Mom actually brought some stuff for me from home. Where do I start from? I don't know. We finally have a license, guys. Yeah. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting a new vlog, guys, and if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ayomi Ade. I am popularly known as Eddie. I film about lifestyle, career, self-development, and every other good stuff. So this vlog is going to be about my apartment. You guys know that I just got a job, so I moved, but I've not finally moved in and settled in because I've not gotten my apartment, and I am still squatting at a friend's place for the past 3 weeks. I've been finding it difficult to get an apartment. I don't know, it's been a lot. So I'm supposed to gist you guys all these things that has been happening in my previous video, but because of time, I didn't want that video to be too long, so I decided to start a new vlog based on this apartment ish. Okay, I started talking to people. I'm looking for accommodation, help me, this and that. So that first week, some of my colleagues got accommodation, and I started collecting the number of the agents that they worked with. And one thing that I just realized is that agents in this place, they are very rude. I don't think they know what they are doing, to be honest, because I don't know why it is very hard to get a room self-contained in a place where there is university. I don't understand, like, why. So it's been a lot. I look stressed. I think I don't really look good this morning because I did call duty, which is like 24 hours. I went to work yesterday 8 a.m. and I came back this morning around after 8. So, and I've not been able to sleep. The time is currently 10:40 and I am stepping out right now, and that is why I decided to start the vlog. Okay, so apparently I put a call through to all these agents that have been collecting their contacts. The thing is, I don't know if I am the one that is picky, or well, I don't think I'm asking for too much. I want a room that has a wardrobe and water is running inside. That's all. He was like, okay, there is a place that has a wardrobe. I was like, okay, let's meet up and let me go and check the place. Guys, when we meet up, I was like, okay, so let's go. So he told me where the house is. From my hospital, from where I'm working to that place, it is a very trekkable distance. Like, if we are trekking, we're not going to spend 5 minutes for us to get to where we are going. This person was like, we're going to take bike. I didn't argue with him. I was like, okay. It was like, I'm going to pay money for consultation fee, which is 1,000 naira. I was like, okay. So what if I end up not liking the place? It was like, yeah, that even if I don't like the place, that it is normal for me to pay my consultation fee. And I just feel like, okay, if I'm working with 10 agents and I'm paying everybody consultation fee, that means I'm going to be wasting 10k. So I should see the place first, and I'm going to give you your consultation fee if I end up liking it. But then at the point, I just feel like, okay, let me just give him the consultation fee. Hopefully I find the place okay. Excuse me, guys. We're about to move, and this guy was like, I'm going to be the one to pay his transportation to the place and back home. And I was just like, I'm giving you 1,000 naira consultation fee. What's it for? It's not for you to remove your transportation. I was like, no, I'm still going to be the one to pay for his transportation. I was just like, but now this consultation fee should be able to cover for all these things. And the next thing this guy will say is, should I go back? Like, should he go back to his office? And I was like, okay, you can go back. And he left. And I was so pissed. I was so pissed, guys. Guys, I was so pissed. And someone actually now told me, part of my colleagues now told me that that house that the guy is taking me to, that she has been there and the house does not have wardrobe, that they would like to me that the place have wardrobe, because they know that I would have paid the consultation fee, so they are not losing. I'm the one that will just waste my 1,000 naira. That the place doesn't have wardrobe, so I should not bother going there. Thank God I even like. So I talked to people. Someone gave me another agent contact. I called this agent and I was like, please, I need a room self-contained. That I need a room self-contained that has a wardrobe and water. It was like, oh, he has one right now that I should come and check. I was like, okay, I won't be able to come and check it that day, that I'm going to come the following day. Guys, the following day has to be the following day now happened to be the day I lost that little boy that I told you guys in my previous video that died. So I wasn't really in a good mood, but because I still have to like keep on doing my life, I just like, okay, after work I'm going to go there. So after work I went there. The bike that took me there did not even collect small money, so that you know that I already feeling that this place is far to the hospital. Like, it will be very difficult for me to be juggling this place to hospital. Like, it's just far. But then let me see what the place look like. Guys, when I got there, it was an uncompleted building. I couldn't express my anger because I was bitter. It was that day that that boy died. I was not happy. And you are here showing me uncompleted building, telling me on phone that you have a place that has wardrobe and everything ready. Like, how? So it was like the place is going to be ready by September. And I'm like, sir, I've been looking for a house for a while. No, it's not today that I'm starting to look for a house. I've been looking for a house, so if I can get a house now, I'm going to pack in immediately. I can't wait till September again. That's like in 2 weeks. It was like, yeah, the place will soon be ready. Thank God he did not even ask me for consultation, because if he asked me, I would have just changed it for him immediately. So yesterday I got another person and he sent me a video of a place, and I like what I'm saying, but you know, agent, if you're working with agents, you need to be wise. I want to go and check it. It told me 11 a.m. So I called a friend of mine that is based in this place to come with me to the place. So this is 10:48 and we are going to be going. I am ready, I think. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this? Guys, my birthday is in 7 days time. Next week Saturday is my birthday and I don't have money. I don't have any plan. Okay, because now I need to get an apartment. I don't know how my birthday is going to be, but we are alive, we are grateful, and we're going to move that way.
So guys, I got to the apartment and it happened that the room that the agent sent to me on WhatsApp has been taken. So this is the only one remaining and I think I like it, but I'm thinking it's small. And the design of this kitchen, I don't know, it feels like they converted the balcony to a kitchen. But then I feel like it's still cool. I like the compound. I like the way the structure is. The only but that I have is the fact that this room is looking like it's small. But then I love it. So I am going to take the room.
It's apartment. So I asked the electrician to come and fix the lights, because apparently I noticed that I think the person that left here removed all the bulbs, disconnected a whole lot of things. So I asked the electrician to come and fix it. So we just finished fixing it, but I still have to get bulbs. I think like 2 will be okay. Yeah. So that's it. So that's just it. I'm going to head back home because I was actually doing my laundry. I need to finish up washing my lab coat and other good stuff. I'm really thinking of what I can do to this wall, to be honest. I don't think I like this color. It's not giving at all. At all. Yeah, this needs to be changed. I'm thinking white color. White. Hi guys, good evening. Today is Wednesday, August 31st. I just finished from work, so I quickly branched the place when I was coming. So I got broom, packer, and all those things because I really need to sweep this place and get the cleaning done. But I don't think I will be able to do everything today because of time. I still have to go to work tomorrow, and I won't be available on Saturday because I'm going to be at work on Saturday. So I'm going to try and do small today, tomorrow, and on Friday. Then maybe on Sunday I will bring the rest of my load here on Sunday so I can sleep here on Sunday. Okay, so yeah, so let's get the work started. Right.
Guys, guys, on this day there was generator noise. I went shopping, I got some things. This extension box I got it for I think 1,500 naira, but I ended up not liking it because the wire is actually short, and where I'm planning to use for my studio, there is no socket there, so I'm going to need like a long extension. I got this glass cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner actually. Then I got this toilet eye pole cleaner. I've been seeing it on YouTube for a while, so I decided to get mine. I also got like this hand wash, which I really love the smell. It makes sense, guys. It makes sense. I got this air freshener. I got this particular air freshener. I saw it at my cousin's place. There's this pineapple fragrance actually. Unfortunately, they didn't have pineapple, so I actually went for vanilla, but then it's not that bad.
At this point, I am very tired. I went to the market to get some curtains, got pillow. I got two of this, and I bought this. Guys, I'm very tired. Like, I've not even gone home since 8 a.m. that I left for work. So here is the bed. Everybody was just saying get uniform, and I can actually talk about this uniform because I've used it before and I still have the mattress actually. But you see, moving around, carrying mattress all around is a lot. And so this is a 3.5, I think. Yeah. So, and I'm already thinking of talking to a furniture person that is going to do bed frame for me, but I don't know if that's going to fit in the budget of this month. But here the furniture man is already working on the curtain, and he went to pick some stuff from his workshop, and that's what we have here. This room is actually smelling very nice because I used some of the pre-air freshener that I bought yesterday, and I'm loving it. It's still it's like, this is like 8 after 8-ish. I'm at my apartment and I'm waiting for the electrician. He's outside fixing some things, so I'm waiting for him. And while I'm waiting for him, I want to unbox, I want to offload I want to bring out this stuff from the back so I can at least arrange them a little bit before I finally move in. So the only thing that I have left is getting food stuff and bringing my box that I brought initially to this place that is at my friend's place, bringing it here, and then we can have our first night. So I don't know if today is going to be our first night. I don't think so. So our first night is probably going to be tomorrow, Tuesday. Let's see how that goes. I just finished 24 hours call duty, and I think I still look pink. So let's do something before the electrician comes. I'm sure my mom knows how important this is to me. If you guys don't know, this is my piggy, my colo. Yeah, so this is a brand that my best friend runs. It's called My Coffer, and it's pretty much like, okay, you buying cover from her, and then she is going to like monitor you how you save throughout the year. I got mine last year. I think it was early last year. And if you're not new on this channel, you probably see a vlog of when I was unboxing, how I didn't meet up with the charges, and now I almost cried. But then this year, same thing, guys. I opened this piggy sometimes, I think 2 months ago, when everything seems to be tight, and I've not been able to put any money there because I left home and I didn't carry it with me. So we'll probably start with this again this September and see how that goes. Okay. I don't know if I told you guys, but my mom actually brought some stuff for me from home, like almost all my stuff. So imagine carrying all this load. I'm pretty much grateful, to be honest. I don't even know how to appreciate her. That woman deserves a lot. Imagine bringing all this stuff from home together with my cotton rod and everything. She deserves so many accolades. Okay, we finally have a light, guys. Yeah, so we have this. So yeah, if I want to take this off, we have this. If I want to take this off, I'll just take this off and put this on. So there's red. I really do not like this red. I hope I got like glue, and I have this particular one here, and that's on it. Period. Guys, I am exhausted. I need to go home and eat now. Home as in my friend's place, and then I have noodles there, and I bought bread, so I need to go and eat and pack my box. And if I can come back today, and if I cannot come back today, see ya later.